That's how my cousin Vino likes to warm up. Meanwhile, over here, warm up is much different. Got the heater on inside the car. Just finished pinning my numbers on. And of course, the pre-warm up Animal Crossing. Of course. Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. It's the Hood Cyclist and the younger brother. So yeah, it is race day, week 2 of the early bird. It's a clinic and a sort of a race. I'm not really sure, but here we go. We have a large black coffee with 4 shots of espresso.
You've arrived.
We've arrived. 774. That's right. That's the number we're at today. Hopefully it's a lucky one. Sounds like a lucky one. Do a lot better job than last time, so I'm taking my time with this time. Trying to see where it is, stretch it out a little bit.
I was listening to the song. It go like, I know it hurts sometimes, but you'll get over it. Yeah, you'll find another life to live. Yeah, I swear that you'll get over it. Million on me, count up, fun nigga, pay me. Wow, fuck your bitch, I'm bored, rock star, that's all. With us, no being bitch, taking credit, where shit gets funky, nigga. And that's why I gotta keep it ratchet. Bad bitch, work 2 jobs, making taxes. Bought a new Glock, hold dirty like a plasma. All she want is 2 things, back shots in the back, rubbing. Oh, I'm that nigga that'll do that. And no, I can't lie, love the way that you knew that. You know I get that check and run through that. Got 1 thing to quit. And I can't trust these niggas. I'm in love with you, girl, I can't trust these bitches. I just hope you understand that I'm different, I'ma ride for you. I'ma really, really ride for you. When that time comes, I'll really, really die for you. My life real in these streets, I can't lie to you. But I made a promise I will always make it home to you. Can't let a fuck nigga take me. I been getting money, so these fuck niggas hate me. But baby, please don't let a nigga down. I'm so tired of fake shit, I'm yes, they wet tears. 488 hit the gears. 480 suicide, don't Britney Spears. I'm bougie, so bitch don't get near. Chris Angel make dope disappear. Hit the gas, it got flames out the rear. It's a race to the back, get the mills.
Ride the dick like a BMX. No nigga wanna be my ex. I love when he going to it, cause he comes small when I see him let. I get upset.
Then we're going to go and break you up probably into 3. Not yet used to racing with other people who are not yet comfortable, right? So I can be a comfortable rider, but if I'm not trusting everyone around me, we got to work on being a little bit more coordinated. So last week
Early bird week 2, I have to say, went pretty well. For training, I didn't really train harder. Actually, I got probably less miles than last week. So I think my legs needed some rest. So I'm just gonna take it easy next week. Made it, guys. Got out of that with no crashes. Perfect. So I made 2 changes to my bike for this week. Was the seat.
This is deeper than it seems.